Welcome back. We have some breaking news coming in at this point. It's in connection with the Waqf Bill, which is now turned into a law. There's a blitz of petitions in the top court after the Congress's Mohammad, it is AIMIM's Owaisi, and 4 more petitions have been filed in the top court. Beyond these two, the AAP party's Amanatullah Khan has moved the Supreme Court. In NGO, Islamic Scholar and Kerala Muslim Modi have also moved the top court. This is all against the bill. They essentially had initially sought a meeting with the president before assent had been given, but that has already been done at this point. The Waqf Bill, which was passed in both houses of the parliament, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, has now been turned into a law because the President Murmu has given her assent to make this into a law. But despite that, you do still have action in the top court. Now, initially, it was the Congress's Mohammad and the AIMIM's Asaduddin Owaisi who had filed petitions in the Supreme Court. Beyond this as well, the AIM-PLB had sought an urgent meet with the president. Beyond this, we now have 4 more petitions being filed in the Supreme Court in connection with the Waqf Bill. We're crossing over to my colleague Harish to bring us more on this. Harish, considering that the president has given her assent, the bill is now a law. We're now seeing more action in the Supreme Court. There are 4 more petitions which have been filed.
Yes, in fact, the petitions are more and more petitions are being filed as far as the Waqf amendments are concerned. Till now, 6 petitions are being filed, and more are expected in the coming days. The opposition parties, most of them, and also Muslim organizations are filing petitions. The first one was Mohammad Congress, Asaduddin Owaisi, AIMIM, Amanatullah Khan, Amanatullah Party, then Association for Protection of Civil Rights, Islamic scholar Maulana Arshad Madani, who happens to be the head of Jamiat Ulema Hind, then Samasta Kerala Jamiatul Ulema, an influential Muslim body in Kerala. These are the petitioners who have moved the Supreme Court till now. Remember, all these organizations have challenged the petitions on the Waqf Amendment on several grounds. Right to equality violated, they say. Prohibition of discrimination, that is violated. Right to life and personal liberty violated. Freedom to practice religion violated. And they also say that they have a freedom to manage religious affairs, when that is violated, and right to minorities to establish and administer education institutions, that has also been violated, and Article 300A, right to property. They have, in fact, questioned the removal of the work by user law, and also inclusion of non-Muslims in the work board, and also the Central Work Council, and also appointment of a district collector or a senior government officer as a dispute arbitrator, because they say that if the difference is between a government officer and a particular Muslim individual, definitely this collector or the senior government officer will support the government. So these are the contentious issues raised by all these petitioners. And as of now, 7 petitions have landed up in the Supreme Court, and more are expected as even coming in the coming next week. Remember, all such acts have been.
All right, Harish, thank you so much for joining us and getting us all of those crucial details in connection with this. We'll continue to track the developments as far as what takes place in the top court with these petitions. But shifting focus now. On the auspicious